where we spread love and positivity. And I want to thank our subscribers, our new subscribers, and our returning subscribers. We really appreciate you. We pray that God blesses you, enlarges you, protects you, shields you, and be with you together with your family. We don't take it for granted, guys. Now today, guys, and before even I start the video, kindly guys, if you watch this video, subscribe, share, comment, and like. We will appreciate a lot. So today, I want to share something that is very, very common to us. We have seen it with our own eyes. We have heard it with our own ears. We have experienced it in life. And this is about people in life generally. And I tell you that I've learned that people can be so different. There are people that are so good, so humble, so down to earth, so ready to help others, and they don't feel jealous, they don't feel envious, they are not competitive, they are just people who just like seeing others succeed. They just like seeing others being uplifted high and high and high. And I have watched a lot of stuff, a lot of content about Jamaica. And I've come to realize there is something so unique about the people of Jamaica. And what I have learned, not just watching one video, and it's not something that I have come to a conclusion just by observing one person. I've generally watched a lot of content about this country that we call Jamaica. And the reason why I've done so is because I've seen these people have a very good heart. They really want to see others succeed. They can go to any length to help others. And I came to get interested into watching a lot of stuff about the people from Jamaica. And I've seen that these are people who are actually very willing to help others, very willing to touch the souls of others. And guys, like I have told you, it's not one person I have observed. And this tells me that we have good people outside there in the world. And these good people are not found easily. Actually, there are very few in the world. People who want to see you succeed. People who will not pull you down when they see you rising up. People who are willing to take the next step to help you so that you can move to the next level. And this character I've seen in the people of Jamaica. And I've seen that these people really work as a team. They love working as a team. And in this team, every member of the team works towards the success of the group, the success of the team, the success of whatever they are doing together. They are not people who will pull their hearts or rather be sluggish so that the group does not succeed. And the reason why I'm saying this is because I have observed Collas Smith. Collas Smith is a Jamaican YouTuber. And I have watched him, and he has a team that he works with. Guys, by the way, I want to say categorically, I've not seen people working as a team like in Jamaica. Here in Kenya, we have a lot of celebrities. We have people, content creators, that have got a lot of subscribers, and they have really moved. But they cannot agree to work as a team to assist others, to make others succeed like they have succeeded. They have that reservation that they don't want to see anybody ahead of them. I've really observed in this country of ours. But I realized in Jamaica, people don't even care whether you'll be ahead of them or not. They will assist you. They will hold your hand. They will uplift you. And I have mentioned about Collas Smith. I have seen Collas Smith working with his team members, actually to an extent of buying them vehicles. I saw the other day he was constructing a house, I think for one of the members. Who does that? You are working with these people, they are actually, let me call them, you are subordinates in the group. But you are ready to uplift them to be of your standard. to be the same level with you. Can you see? This is not something that you see often. It's not something that you see every day. It comes from the heart. It is a willingness to incorporate others and pull others to be in the level you are in. So Connor Smith is one of the channels I've been actually watching. And you'll find that in Connor Smith, they'll go and go to the oceans around the, what do we call them? Actually, I'm writing a word. To the shores of the oceans and prepare food and give the people they are with, even to an extent of giving the community. This is somebody that has got a heart of giving, a heart of touching the souls of others, a heart of extending the hand to other people. And that is why you find that these people, their channels grow very fast. They are blessed beyond measure. Because God looks at them and sees, this is somebody who is not just working for himself alone. He is working to extend whatever he achieves to others. The other group that I have observed are these boys. They are young people, by the way. One of them is called Wi-Fi. I think it is a nickname. The other one is called Fall. And I can't remember the third one and the others. They work as a group. They go to the forest. They do the hunting. They catch whatever they are catching. They go and cook together. They eat together. And the other day I was watching them hunting a deer, a reindeer. And I came to learn a lot of history about this reindeer in Jamaica. That channel is called the Hidden Beauty of Jamaica. I'm not very sure, but I think that is the name. The Hidden Beauty of Jamaica. And these people show us what maybe the common Jamaica person does not know. Like I could see so many people commenting, they have never known that they are reindeer in Jamaica. But they came to show us, and we learned the history that this beer, are they called antelopes or beer, whatever they are. So these ones, they escaped from a museum sort of in Portland when there was a hurricane. And they came to the forest, they went to the forest, and they gave birth to many, and now they are many. So these boys go hunting, and wild, those deer, and even I saw the other day they were hunting a hog. And they come and slaughter, and they eat together. You can see a lot of coordination, a lot of love, a lot of willingness to assist one another, a lot of willingness to fulfill the mission and the vision of the group. And this is very rare in Kenya. Let me specifically talk about Kenya. I have not seen YouTubers. In other words, somebody starts a YouTube channel and forms a group and works with this group, and they are actually uplifting the same channel. And the person who is head of this channel is actually working towards uplifting the members of that team. It's not easy. So I have talked about those boys that go hunting, that go to the oceans, that do a lot of stuff to show us the hidden beauty of Jamaica. The other group that I have seen, I think it's a woman and it's a man and a woman. I'm not very sure whether it is a couple. They are called the Large, and the other one I can't remember the name of the lady. And I saw them going to the ocean. They were camping, and they have team members to go and camp together with them. They cook, they swim. Actually, I could see them swimming at the ground in the ocean. And they were correcting are they called whatever they are called? I can't remember the name of whatever they were correcting deep down in the ocean and coming out with it. It was so beautiful to watch them. They work as a team. Teamwork is very, very much encouraged in Jamaica. And actually, I've seen a lot of teamwork. And the members of the team are not envious of one another. They are not jealous of one another. They are not competing. They are working to achieve the same goal. The objective of the team, the vision of the team, the mission of the team. And let me tell you guys, that is why this country, though it is so small, it is so blessed. It has the best athletes. It has the best beaches. It has the best waterfalls. It has the best of everything. And that is why, however small it is actually the ones that the country that produces the people that come to talk about financial independence, Africans being independent, because they have valued the importance of investing in people, the importance of holding people's hands, the importance of touching the souls of others. I really want to say, I'm not saying this for actual views. I have come to learn a lot about the Jamaican people. And I tell you, these people, you will not find many of these kind of people in the world. The other thing about these people, and we have all seen, look at Dimwango. Dimwango is in Cayman Island. Where is she staying, guys? She's staying in a Jamaican house. She's not paying. She's catered for everything she requires in that house for free. Who does that? Don't you think these people deserve a crap? These people deserve people to actually shout on top of the mountains how wonderful these people are. I tell you, it's not exaggeration. Who can give you a house? Somebody who does not know you. It's just a fun. And she volunteers. You stay in their house. You be comfortable in their house. Who does that? The other person we saw is this man by the name, is it Holy Fire 777 TV? That guy actually picked the mango from the airport. He has been transporting the mango to wherever she wants to go. We saw her the other day going to the farm. The farmer is so willing to explain to the mango what she wants to know. These people are people who can go to any length to assist others. Look at Kino. Kino just met the mango when they didn't know each other. He was willing to hold her hand, take her around Jamaica, drive her to different places she wanted to go. And I tell you, Kino does everything to make sure that the mango succeeds. Look at Esther. Esther, the mango came to Jamaica the second time. And Esther agreed to host her. She does not even ask her anything. She's so comfortable. It is like she's at home. Look at them. These are wonderful people. I wish we can have such people in Africa. The reason why I started with the people of Jamaica is, guys, I got a shock today. I actually saw a video, somebody actually talking about so bad about Marwa. Remember, I talked about the uncle from Jamaica. The uncle from Jamaica, having the genetics of Jamaica, is so willing to help. Is so willing to socialize. Is so willing to show love to people. And therefore, uncle from Jamaica meets Mary, who is a 16-year-old, and she was trying to prepare mud to build their hut, their house. And the uncle from Jamaica greets Mary and starts praising her, how hardworking Mary is. And talking to her about, you have come to school, you have not even rested, and now you are preparing mud so that you can actually build your house. You are such a hardworking girl. Guys, other people come in. Look at Africans. Meet Africans and their gossip, and their mind, and their evil thoughts. Not all of them, by the way, some. So a group of people comes, and they say that uncle from Jamaica is actually interested in this young woman. I want to ask them, do you know that is a crime? It is a crime to be interested to a minor. Mary is a minor. And therefore, some of the things that we say, I don't know whether we just shoot videos to get views, to get subscribers, to get watched. And I think people really like such content because they really contributed towards that. Why do you want to read people's minds? That you can read their body language. And the body language you are reading, you interpret in a very bad way. Are you the only people who can read the body language? Because I said clearly, I had watched that video of the Jamaican uncle, and I never thought completely anything about him. Then to hear other people watching it, interpreting it, and saying that there was body language, there was change of tune of the voice, I wondered, are these people really serious? What are they after? What do they want to achieve? Now the other day, guys, the next thing that shocked me beyond measure is that it is not the uncle from Jamaica only, and this uncle is being attacked because he is actually associated with Marwa and Dimwango. So Marwa introduces to us that they are pregnant. They are expecting a baby. And we all congratulated them. But there is this woman who stayed in Marwa's villa, who were given accommodation by Congressman, and who was given food and everything she needed in Nyambohanse. Joasis has been actually spitting bit of information that we don't know why she's so bitter. Guys, I even I was actually tending to think that maybe Joasis actually was after Marwa, and Marwa rejected her. Because the reason why I'm saying this, I'm not just spreading gossips like the haters. The reason why I'm saying this, there is a video A.M. Carroll talked about that the young men of Jamaica are receiving money from old women from abroad. And she actually said that these boys are so used to this money such that they have started writing messages to these women, sort of tuning them. And remember, Joase said clearly that CJ told her, I know what you are coming for when you are coming from abroad. We do not know the communication that these women had with these boys. And that is why maybe CJ thought Joasis was coming for the same reason. And therefore maybe Joasis was coming with a mind of tuning Ayamaro. And Ayamaro, since he had Rocio, maybe refused. And that is why Joasis is so bitter. Because you cannot explain why this lady who was assisted, who was hosted, who was given everything, is so bitter. So Joasis comes with the information that, first of all, when she heard that Marwa and Rocio are expecting a baby, she congratulated them, which was in order. Then she says, I hope you'll get a baby girl so that you can know how painful it is to pray around with young girls who are minors. In other words, she was insinuating or telling us that Marwa actually takes young girls and misuses them or takes advantage of them. Look at this and look at the uncle from Jamaica accusation. This accusation came from on trending, and actually I'm Carol. Now Joasis comes with the same message. It is like these people are after seeing Marwa jailed, because this is a great accusation in Kenya. Praying around with minors is not accepted, and I wondered if this is the case. Marwa is known in the village. The villagers would have complained. The mothers to these girls would have taken the cases. Why are you telling us now when you have come from Nyambohanse so many months ago? Why are you coming with these allegations just now? Are you after destroying this man? Are you after seeing this man in prison? Remember, guys, these same people were actually accusing Dimwango of scamming Jam Tours. Is this Jam Tours? And they actually said Dimwango will come from Jamaica and will be put in prison. Their objective or their mission of seeing Dimwango in prison failed. Are they now planning to put Marwa in prison? That is what I asked myself when I had this accusation. And I actually wondered, can people go to this extent of being evil? Can people go to this extent of pulling others down? Can people go to this extent of being paid to destroy others? Because I'm 100% sure that some of these people are paid to pull others down. So guys, that is why I started with talking about Jamaica. People from Jamaica are not jealous. They are not competitive. They are not after winning others. They don't even care whether you are ahead of them. They don't even care whether you go and become rich and be. They are just good people by heart. And I really, really wished that these people from Africa can actually read something from Jamaica. I have read a lot. I've read a lot from these people. I have learned that it is very important to invest in people. It is possible to be good, to be willing to help others, to be willing to hold others' hands. Jamaicans have taught us how to be brothers and sisters, how to love one another unconditionally, how to love one another without expecting anything in return. We have seen it being done by Kino. We have seen it being done by Esther. We have seen it being done by the people in Cayman Island. And not even that, the people on the streets of Jamaica, the fans to Dimwango, the fans to Marwa, the fans to Shonarwa, the fans who follow us, even us. They are great people. They will answer you questions. They will go to the length of explaining to you something until you are satisfied. These are great men and women who value others, who see a human being as a valuable somebody. And they are willing to go to any length to love people, to show people love, to just be humble and accommodate others. It is so unfortunate that where the Mongo comes from, where I am Marwa comes from, people don't value them. They don't value other people. They don't show love to other people. They can do anything after they are being paid to destroy others. Very, very unfortunate, guys. And that is why I said in the world, there are people who are good. In the world, there are people who have a heart. In the world, there are people who pray for others and actually assist others to go up. Not pulling others, not destroying others, not ruining others, not actually making things out so that others can go down. No. But holding others' hands. Sometimes I look at these people and I wonder, their own daughter or son, if they are the ones going through what they are putting this young woman and this man through, what would they feel? This Dimongo and Marwa are like a sign to some of these people that comment very negatively and create stories. They are actually sons to them. And it is so ironical. And even if they are not sons, they are brothers and sisters. Would you want to see your brother and sister faring? Or your daughter or son faring? It is very, very important to know that whatever we plant, we harvest. It is good to plant goodness. It is good to plant kindness. It is good to plant love. It's good to plant happiness. The other day, I looked at the Mwango entering a helicopter. Imagine these people, when the Mwango entered a helicopter in Monaco, they talked about she was alone, she was just having the pilot, the two of them, they went the two of them. Then the Mwango in Cayman Island entered a helicopter with other people. Now they come again. She was not even alone. They were having a group. These are people you wonder, when you do this, they'll complain. When you do this, they'll complain. When you wear these clothes, like the dress the Mango was wearing, a pink dress when she was entering the helicopter in Monaco, they really complained about it. When you wear decently, they complain. When you wear, what are they called? What are they called? When you wear bikini, they complain. So you wonder, do they want you to do what? And no wonder I love the Mango, because she doesn't care what they say. She doesn't care what they comment. She doesn't care what they are doing. Because when you care about these people, it's like they can make you get depressed. Everything you do, even when you cough, they'll complain. When you sneeze, they'll complain. When you laugh, actually they talk about the Mango's laughter. It's like you are supposed to cry, and even when you cry, they'll still complain, imagine. So you wonder what to do. But it is good to be yourself like the Mwango. Just do your stuff without caring what these people do. They are actually, the other day they talked about they cannot eat without this family, because every day they talk about Marwa, they talk about the Mwango, they talk about these shenanigans. They call them shenanigans. They talk about them each and every second. They are the reason they are eating in their homes. They are the reason they are educating their children. So respect those people because they are feeding you. I'm sorry to say that. Respect those people because they are paying the school fees of their children. Guys, I don't want to exceed there. Thank you so much for being with us and subscribing to our channel, commenting, liking our videos. We salute you. Thanks and God bless. Till next time.